Howdy, Possum Patty here, and I'm working on part 2 of my little trip down to the shore. You know, to be honest, I find a flat, white beach of pure sand quite boring. I love the rocky New England coastline and exploring in tidal pools and finding all the little creatures in the sand and stuck to the rocks. So this page is about seaweed. Seaweeds are not plants. They are macroscopic, or large enough to be seen with the naked eye, multicellular marine algae. They function in the ocean to capture CO2 and produce oxygen, and to provide food and shelter for other marine species. Pop. There was a lot of this rockweed down at the beach. It was attached to the rocks. When we were kids, we called them poppers. We'd gather up a whole pile of them and pop the little air bladders. There are several different species in this area. This is the one with the rib down the middle of the stipe and the paired air bladders. Crackle, crackle. Also on the beach, we found this sea lettuce. It has lactuca in its name because lactuca means lettuce. And it's a bright green and it's ruffled and it's very translucent because the fronds are only 2 cells thick. It reminds me of green cellophane or green saran wrap. You can just crinkle it all up. I think this is like sea lettuce. Snap. Also on the beach, I found this reddish-brown strap. I believe it's some kelp. It was much thicker than the sea lettuce. It was like a strap that you can snap. I think this is like kelp. I spent several minutes just walking through the shallows, admiring all the different seaweeds and creatures that were attached to rocks and floating in the waves in the water. Water's nice. Thanks for coming along today on my trip down to the shore. Happy nature journaling. Bye-bye.